Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. They say that time flies when you're having fun. If that adage is true, the first quarter of 2024 flew by for equity bulls. Year-to-date, the major U.S. indices are all well into the green, with the Nasdaq 100 ET and the S&P 500 Index ETF leading the way with gains of about 10% each. Despite much higher interest rates, a regional banking scare, stagflation, worries, and geopolitical escalations, the bull market is climbing the proverbial wall of worry. With that in mind, here are 3 key takeaways from the quarter 1 of 2024. Number 1. Tech dominated, but energy stabilized. The technology sector picked up where it left off in 2023 and continued to dominate. The technology sector enjoyed the best performance of all sectors, with a 12.11% gain. Financials were the third best sector performer despite regional banking and commercial real estate concerns. Real estate was the worst performing sector due to the Fed's higher for longer interest rate policy. Old economy, sectors like energy and basic materials lagged early in the quarter but stormed back to have the best performance in the final month of quarter 1. Number 2. S&P 500 displays rare strength. The S&P 500 index just posted back-to-back 10% quarters for only the 8th time since 1950. To put the impressive gains in perspective, the S&P 500 index has averaged 10% for the entire year over the past 30 years. Judging by the historical data, bulls should feel confident. A year later, the S&P 500 index is up 12.3% on average and has only been lower once in 7 times. Number 3. Winners and losers. The AI revolution showed no signs of stalling. Supermicrocomputer, SMCI, saw mind-blowing gains of more than 200% for the quarter after pre-announcing earnings results early in quarter 1. Crypto-related stocks like MicroStrategy, MSTR, and Coinbase, COIN, soared after Bitcoin ETFs like the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, were approved. Tesla, TSLA, fell nearly 30%, weighed down by higher rates and increased Chinese competition. Boeing, BA, was among the worst performers in the S&P 500 index as safety concerns spooked investors. Did you find this summarization of quarter 1 2024 useful? Let us know in the comments.